Honorable Godfrey Kabyangori State Minister w'iby'amahurire no kwabura ihangano wahamize mu district ya Kasese neza kusharwamo zindi 3.
Cabinet ikayikiriza na NRM ko kasikikiriza. I talk as a government spokesperson with authority. The district should be split into 4. Wera, Katwe, Hima, and then Kasese. 4.
Minister Kabyanga nagira ngo bwahati eksigire no murimo gwa kanso ya district age kusharamo sharo za district zaho zine kubana ziraba.
What is remaining are the boundaries. Every boundaries, every chairman watch or district. Abokuba boundaries niziba mwati itwaleri rigende hanuya rigendariya ati nebya kaso.
Minister nayongera agira ngo batura enshongeji bagerebe nkankuru batagita mu feeling nyingi. Wilson Asimori chairman we Gombora ya Lekatwe we nagira ngo nangwa batakatungire office eji bature nibabona mnonga.
That the administration chose me as a person to come and commission it. Congratulations.
Takatungire offices zetu tuwe twine challenges. Kwen tukora inchiko zeitu omiti. Ubu office obutwine hono mburora tukabombekerwa ILM ati they were very tiny potato, so abandu offices zibe ziri mu miti hansi y'emiti, but now
semo utuwite mune spring water yosi alere eri okasangana tukagabana kwa nyamwasana neshande bandu bakoweraya situwiti amaetse awatolera situwiti amaetse mayonjo kondikireni kidabule kiryo iramo kandi nishande musikanyuramo.
So nsemerirwe muno ni nsima ministry ya local government habo kutoha that fund kwa fund ito akozise kuombeka administration block cargo ministry ya local government. Then nsima honorable state minister wa ICT and national guidance honorable Kabyanga.
Obwa hati district ya Kasese ina magombora na za town council na nina kandi niyo rikore cyanga cha Rwenzori East kiri mu division inezeri mu Bwera, Hima, Katwe na Kasese municipality. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhangu zo muri Kasese.